Hello everyone, I am Halid Ovalı. I am studying at Department of Electrical and Electronics Engineering at İzmir Katip Çelebi University. I designed the Super Mario game with PIC18F46K22 as a term project of the Microprocessors course. I can say that the Super Mario game is one of the legendary games whose popularity in the world hasn't decreased for years. In the project, I coded and simulated the microcontroller using Micro Pro and Proteus. By displaying an adaptation of Super Mario with a GLCD screen, I created a processor game played with buttons. In addition, while creating bitmaps for GLCD, I used the GIMP drawing program to obtain more pleasant and realistic figures. Let me continue describe my project in Proteus. Looking at the Proteus drawing, I choose PIC18F46K22 as the main center. I made data connections with GLCD port D. I made the LCD connections via port A. I put 4 buttons on the circuit. These buttons are connected to port B. Each can be used for different functions in the game. I also completed my drawing by adding a sounder to the circuit. Yes, then let's run the simulation. When the simulation runs, the menu section appears on the GLCD screen and Baby Shark music plays continuously in the background. When we press the left button, we can see the about part of the game on the screen. My own information and the names of our teachers are displayed on the screen in order. We can hear an intro music in the background. After this part is completed, we are directed back to the menu. The game starts when I press the jump button in the menu. The first map and Mario are displayed on the screen. If I talk about the buttons, when we press the right button, Mario starts running to the right way. If we press the left button, Mario starts running to the left way. Like this. Uh, Jump button performs the jump operation according to Mario's direction. If my character is facing the right, when I press jump, he jumps the right way. If he is looking to the left, he is jumping to the left way. Like this. If I press the reset button in any position during the game will be reset and the menu screen will return exactly like this. Now let's restart the game. Uh, During the game we have to pass 6 maps. Each map has pipes and monsters in different locations. Mario cannot run through the part where the pipe is located. Both sides of the pipes impede Mario's progress. If we want to overcome the pipe obstacle, we have to jump over the pipe, exactly like this. Let's move forward a bit. Uh, the current screen is the second map of the game. If Mario touch monsters on the map in any way, the game is over. First of all, a death animation comes, and then the game over text appears on the screen, like this. Then we come back to main screen. Now let me finish the game by playing without dying. and show the other maps and the end game. This is the first map of the game. Let's continue the game. Uh, this is the second map of the game. Now let's go track the obstacles in order. I continue. The current part is the third map of the game. As you can see, there are different obstacles uh, in all maps. We can hear a different sound when jumping. This part is the fourth map of the game. I continue to pass quickly. Uh, this part is the fifth map of the game, and after completing this part, we come to the last map. On the last map, an animated text appears on the screen instructing us to go to the castle. When we complete this section, we move on to the castle entrance animation. Okay, let's continue. In the animation of entering the castle, Mario automatically enters the castle by running. Then the boss greets us in the castle and says he wants to fight with Mario. Then we go to fight screen. At the top of the screen are the enemies and Mario's health bars. The character whose health bar is reset first loses the game. During the fight, we can move Mario with the right and left buttons. We can punch the boss with the jump button, like this. The boss is trying to beat us by spraying fire at us according to our position and counterattack. When we win the fight, the game ends with a different ending animation when we lose. Now I will win the fight and show the animation. Yes, when we win the game, Mario's victory celebration is on the screen. Then the princess's friend thanks Mario and says that the princess is in another castle. Mario runs away from the screen and the text "to be continued" appears on the screen. When Mario exits the screen, the game returns to the main menu. Now I'm going to defeat the boss and show the other endgame animation. Yes, in order not to keep you waiting, I rewinded this part a bit and passed it to the fighting part. When the boss defeats Mario, the boss victory celebration comes. Then we come across an animation showing the princess and the boss getting married. The game ends here and we return to the main menu again. Okay, this was the general introduction of the project. Many more different features can be added to the game and a nice game can be enjoyed. Thanks for watching. Have a nice